Ideal site for general contractor, landscape, metal shop, wood shop west/dust-free exhaust. Access from Lakeside Blvd to the rolling gate that opens to the lot or access the lot from Mt Arlington Blvd at the locked entry gate. Easy access to loop in and out of the lot with quick access back to Route 80 and a half a mile. Property backs to NJ Transit train station with a direct line to Dover NJ and then join the Morris/Essex line. 2 buildings are set upon this open lot. Building 1 west/loading dock with open floor workshop, remote camera station, walk-up loft storage, half bath. This building offers a wood shop west/dust-free exhaust. Lower level of this building houses 1 overhead garage parking with access to side attached office. Perfect for 2 separate rentals. Second building truck shop offers 2 overhead door bays, 2 additional bays, doors can be added, equipped west/running water, heat, 200 amp electrical, oil tanks and dykes, shop exhausted fan and a second floor office west/bath and shower, mini kitchen. Exterior gated 6 feet chain link fenced yard. Entry off Mt Arlington Blvd and Canal St at the NJ Transit Station. Open yard, outdoor storage containers and shed. 65 kW generator, Roth oil tank, security cameras. Public water/sewer in street available for connection. Grinder for sewer with piping and electric in place up to the gate entry. Great investment location.